Florence Nightingale, born in 1820, died in 1910. She didn't just work in hospitals, she transformed them. During the Crimean War, she stepped into battlefield hospitals where death rates were sky high. She cleaned the wards, trained nurses, and used stats to prove that hygiene saves lives. Because of her, nursing became a respected scientific profession. They called her the Lady with the Lamp, and she earned it. If this story caught your attention, drop a comment and tell us who you'd like to see next. And if you're into this kind of history, check out the full page.